Hi, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to make the iconic beat from the rock song When the Levee Breaks by Led Zeppelin. And When the Levee Break is one of the most monumental piece of rock drumming ever recorded, and one of the most widely sampled pieces of music ever. And Artists like Dr. Dre, Enigma, Eminem, Beyonce, and many others have used this beat in their songs. So let's listen to it first and then I'll show you how to make it. So let's start the video. So for this, I'm using a 32 pad kit rock from the drum kits that are available to us in Ableton Live. And First of all, I'll show you the notes, and after that I'll show you the effects that I'm using. All right, so we have 4 quarters here, and this closed hi-hat rock is on first and third of every quarter. 1 E and 1 and on an of every quarter. All right, after that we have this snare 2 rock, and on first of second quarter and on first of last quarter. And then we have a ghost note here on second of second quarter, on 1 E of second quarter. And after that we have kick rock, and on first and second of first quarter, 1 E, and on last of second quarter, 1 E and a. All right, and on third and fourth of the third quarter, 1 E and a. All right, so there are some changes that I made, like I'll just zoom it. I have moved the hi-hats a bit back on the grid, and there is a gap between both the kicks here. All right, and I have moved the snare just to get rid of some roboticness and make it sound a bit organic. All right, so let's hear it once again. So I have grouped this, and on the group I have saturation. The drive is on 8, and then after that on output I have reduced it to -8. All right, and soft clip is on the other hand it's on analog clip, and after that a glue compressor attack is 3 and release is 2 and ratio is 4, and you can play around with all these settings, all right, according to your song. So I've compressed it like to somewhere around 10 dB, and then 10 dB of makeup gain, and the drive it is on 44. All right, so it's the combination of the dry signal and the compressed signal. And next thing that you can do is you can sidechain this snare and hat with the kick, so that we can get the pushing and pulling effect between the kick and rest of the drums. So let's hear it once with the side chain. Without it. With it. So without sidechain compression, it sounds lifeless, and with sidechain compression, you add a bit of depth to the sound, I'll just show you the setting on the sidechain compressor. The ratio is full. Attack is 0.01 millisecond. And I've added some makeup gain here. You can change this effect between kick and rest of the drums by playing with the release time here. So let's just play with the release. So as you can hear, we get less snare now. We get more snare. Somewhere here it's fine. So you can sidechain your snare, hat, or other percussive elements that you have in your drums with kick to make it sound more natural, more organic. On synths, I have this reverb here, and I've filtered out some frequencies, and then we have delay on the synth, another synth, and you can see the setting. It's not linked, and it's on ping pong. Feedback is 34. After that, I have reverb again. Drive it is 6.3, and then EQ8 again, and I've filtered out some frequencies. And here on snare, I have this EQ shape. This is the stock EQ shape, and after that, I have added another EQ, and I have boosted around 1K here. All right, and then I have added a delay here just to make snare sound bit wide, and I have filtered it out. You can see the settings here. Feedback is 45, drive it is 12, ping pong, repitch. All right, and then this snare and hi-hat, it's full on the send A and B, and I'm sending the kick only to the reverb, not to the delay. All right, and after that, the grouped signal, I'm sending some of it to the reverb and some of it to the delay. So let's listen to it once again. That's it for the video, and I hope you will like this technique and use it in your tracks to give them an extra punch and edge. And apart from that, do subscribe to the channel if you want to learn how to make more such beats which have been sampled over and over again. And let me know if you have any questions or suggestions down in the comments. And thank you for watching. Till then, cheers and take care.